Namaskar, welcome to Vandana's art classes. Today we are going to paint a bottle in Warli Art Style, but we will use mirrors also in it. So let's start. So this is the base is made by glue and paint, 2 coats, and now I'm marking a distance so that my circles will be equidistant. So you can take your measurement. I'm taking 3 centimeter, and using this 3 centimeter measurement, I'm drawing a line. It's better to mark it 3-4 places, otherwise if measurement is different, then it looks very odd. This is our first line. It's difficult to see pencil mark on the black paint, so I will use marker. Actually, we can do freehand also, but with marking it will be better. Next line, I'm leaving another 2 centimeter. Actually, we should use glass markers. Now, I'm taking around 5 or 6 we can take. So this much we have done the basic work. Now we have 2 choices. We can use the putty cone. These are the cones which are available in the market, or we can paint with brush and acrylic paint. Both are easy. So I will start with this and I will show you with brush and paint also. We can use molded also. Now with the brush, I have to make it smooth. Okay. Then the next line. Third line. After this, I'm going to start the border. So one more line I will make at the bottom. Now our first border is a simple triangle border which I'm going to do with the paint. So this is the white paint, acrylic paint, and we are going to draw simple triangles. I'm going to fill color in it, and then on the top of it, if we want, we can paste the mirrors. Next line, I'm going to make semicircles so that we can put circular mirrors in them. I think we have to give second coat of paint tomorrow. Now next we are going to draw dancing man. So for that, first we'll draw one X. If we want to show female, then we'll show 2 earrings or a bun. I'm showing a bun here. again X, like this our design will go. Again we'll show the hand here. Like this our design will go. Because it's a bottle, so what I'll do, I'll complete this part first so that it's dry. Then I can move it. Otherwise paint is getting stuck to my table. I'm drawing these lines so that everything is equidistant. सब में distance बराबर है. Otherwise वो कहीं ज़्यादा कहीं कम हो जाता है. See, the paint is getting absorbed, so we have to give second coat. This much portion we have done. Now we will start pasting the mirrors. So I have mirrors of different sizes, different shapes, but if you don't have mirror, don't worry. It's not necessary to paste the mirror. And on the bottle, I found super glue is better compared to Fevicol because bottle is a curved surface, so it's better to have like very strong glue, otherwise it slips. So first I'm going to use these mirrors. This is transparent glue. I'm going to take round mirrors now. It's better if you have plucker and use plucker to stick the mirrors. We have to be super fast with super glue. The first layer of paint is dry. तो इसमें आप देख सकते हैं ये बिल्कुल पेंट सूख गया है और इसके ऊपर अब दोबारा सेकंड कोट देने की आवश्यकता है. ये सब सूख गया है पेंट पूरा और काला काला दिख रहा है बैकग्राउंड में. हम थोड़े से डॉट्स दे रहे हैं बीच में. ये मैं ब्रश का पीछे का साइड यूज कर रही हूँ, बैक एंड ऑफ द ब्रश, and I'm making dots here. We will leave till here, and after this we will take white twine and tie here. Right now everything is wet, it's difficult to do, or we can just draw some petals here. That is easy. So with this, our bottle is almost ready. Here it is curved surface, so once it is dried, then I will make some design here. Our bottle will look like this. I hope you like the tutorial. Dhanyavad. Namaste.